If you're wondering how to get started with Process.st and make the most of its powerful features, you've come to the right place. This quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know to hit the ground running with Process.st, the process management tool that's transforming the way teams work and collaborate. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description below. You can get started with Process.st for free and access some exclusive bonuses that will make your onboarding even easier. Process.st is a workflow management software designed to help you create, manage, and track recurring tasks, procedures, and processes with ease. It's an intuitive tool, but there are a few key features and steps you need to understand to get the most out of it. Let's start by creating your first process. Once you're logged in, the main dashboard is where you'll spend most of your time. To create a process, click on Create a New Process. From there, you can either start from scratch or use one of the many templates available in the Process.st library. Templates are a great starting point for creating workflows for tasks like onboarding, marketing campaigns, or even project management. Once you've selected a template or created your own process, the real power of Process.st comes into play. You'll notice that you can break down each process into specific tasks. These tasks can be assigned to team members with due dates, checklists, and specific instructions on how to complete each step. This makes it easy to stay organized, track progress, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Another great feature is the ability to add conditional logic to your workflows. This allows you to set up different paths based on how previous tasks are completed. For example, if a task is marked as incomplete, the next task might be delayed or skipped entirely. This helps you automate decision-making and reduce the amount of manual work you have to do. Process.st integrates with a lot of popular tools that you might already use, like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier. These integrations allow you to connect your workflow to other apps, streamlining your processes even more. You can set up triggers, automate notifications, and sync data across multiple platforms, all within the same tool. Once your process is set up and your team is in action, it's time to track progress. Process.st allows you to see how each task is progressing in real time. You can get a snapshot of completed tasks, upcoming tasks, and any overdue items. The dashboard provides a clear overview, so you'll always know what's happening with your workflows. You can also use reports to get more detailed insights into your process performance. But here's something you might not know. Process.st isn't just for teams. It works perfectly for individual tasks too. Whether you're a freelancer or just trying to keep your personal life organized, Process.st gives you all the tools you need to stay on top of your to-dos, automate your workflows, and keep everything running smoothly. If you're looking to level up even further, Process.st offers advanced features like API access and a no-code automation builder, which allow you to create complex workflows and fully customize the tool for your needs. Now, if you've stuck around this long, you deserve to know that in the description below, there's a special link where you can get started with Process.st completely free, along with some exclusive bonuses that'll help you get up and running faster. You won't find this deal anywhere else. So if you're ready to start automating your processes and improving your team's efficiency, Process.st is the tool you need. Don't forget to grab that extended free trial through our exclusive link in the description below. Let Process.st take your productivity to the next level.